Hello children. Today we'll be doing the character sketches, theme and message of the lesson The Little Girl by Catherine Mansfield. Kezia is a simple, innocent and timid girl. Her behavior is like a typical young girl. She sees her father as the boss of the family who must be served properly all the time. So she feels relieved when he leaves for work every morning. Kezia is afraid of her father and finds it difficult to have a nice talk with him. Kezia is, however, a dutiful and respectful girl, and she tries every way to please her father. However, she fears her father so much that she begins to stutter in his presence. One day, she makes a pincushion as a birthday gift for her father, but she makes a terrible mistake. She uses the papers of his speech to stuff her pincushion. She gets beaten for this lapse, and then she begins to dislike her father all the more. Kezia's strong bond with her father comes to the fore when she is quick to observe his affection on the night she gets terrified by a bad dream. She feels happy when her father protectively takes her to his bed and comforts her. Her distrust for him changes into the appreciation for his hard work. She admires his big heart and discovers her love for him. She changes from a resenting and frightened girl to a soft-hearted, understanding, and affectionate daughter. She realizes that her father is, after all, not a harsh person. Now, Kezia's father displays two divergent characteristics in the story. Initially, he appears as a domineering head of the family and demands complete obedience from other family members. He wants everyone to be at his beck and call. On the other hand, towards the end of the story, he reveals his paternal affection, protective nature, and caring attitude. He is a responsible family man who has to work hard for his living. He has become outwardly strict and harsh, but he is actually loving and caring from within. Once he punishes Kezia by beating her with a ruler to teach her a lesson that she should not touch anything that does not belong to her. No wonder for his behavior he is considered cruel by his daughter. He is looked upon as a frightening giant. Now he is in fact a nice and sensitive person. He tries to console his daughter when he finds her frightened with a nightmare. His soft words and behavior makes Kezia realize that he is actually a nice father. The story The Little Girl is based on the theme of a young child's point of view about her father. Children take time to understand the actions of their elders. Till then, they tend to develop a negative opinion and sometimes even distrust. However, as kids grow older, their attitude towards their elders undergoes change. The theme of the story is based on this process of change that makes little children notice the soft and caring heart of their overtly strict elders. Love is an emotion that must be expressed. Hidden love and affection are of no value. Kezia's father is burdened with hard work and family responsibilities. He remains stern and strict and has no time to talk nicely to anyone, especially to Kezia. He is like a frightful giant to Kezia. However, when Kezia once sleeps with her father and on having a nightmare, she realizes that her father is inwardly as loving and caring as any other father. It also points out that one should not be hasty in making judgment about others. Sometimes, outward behavior of a person does not really reflect his inner self. The story conveys a beautiful message that there is a very strong bond between parents and children. This bond has the strength to survive every type of challenge. However, in order to prepare their little children for the hardships of adult life, parents resort to strict punishment, and it is difficult for children to understand the true motive behind the stern actions of their parents. As a result, they develop negativity. Therefore, the story gives a message to both the children and parents. Children should trust their parents, and the parents should understand that physical punishment can leave emotional scars that hamper the growth of a balanced personality of their child. So, the responsibility to strengthen the parent child bond rests equally on both. There should be a balance in life, and one should not try to hide one's true feelings. If one is loving and caring, these feelings should be realized by the others clearly. Kezia misunderstands her father only because she never sees him behave affectionately at home, while on the other hand, Mr. MacDonald plays with his children happily in the garden. Parents must find time to enjoy the company of their children. Kezia's father, on the other hand, is too harsh on her for an innocent mistake that she makes. Now, children can misunderstand the hidden affection of their parents. So, it is necessary that one should openly show their love for the others, especially their little children. Well, children, with this we come to the end of this lesson. We'll meet in our next video with a new topic. So until then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.